If you're already on a waiting list and that waiting list is significant enough that you're not going to see your watch for a year, give us a shout. Guarantee you'll be getting your watch a lot quicker from us than you will from most of the big London stores. The Black Bay 58 is an interesting watch because it's the first time that Tudor have strayed away from their 41mm case size and they've released a 39mm case size in the Black Bay 58. It really is kind of like the watch that covers all bases, the Goldilocks. It's not too big, it's not too small, it's just right. All the hype has come from people's desire for that watch and in that size. People are seeing it, seeing the images, reading bits online and in forums, understanding that it's a really good fit and not as big as a lot of watches have been recently. It's actually not driven by the industry, but it's driven by people's desire for that size, and that's why Tudor have got it right. Recently we found that a lot of people are coming from London to shop with us, A, because we have a great selection, but also because the availability of some of those pieces is less laboured. Certainly in pre-order terms for new watches that come out, everyone tends to go to London and tends to go to the big retailers, but what you find is a lot of those have huge waiting lists, and we're not as heavily subscribed as a lot of the big multiples and the big online presences. Essentially, I think the relationship is more personal with an independent. For us, it's not a numbers game. It's not about volume, it's about making the right choices and helping the client to make the right choices. The nicest thing is when they come back months down the line and say, you know what, the advice you gave me was absolutely spot on and I'll wear it all the time, I love it, it was the right choice, and that's really what we're here for. What's interesting here in Burrells in Tunbridge Wells especially, we're the nearest agent for many miles, spreads into Kent and East Sussex. So if you want a Tudor watch, we're the centre, we're the place that you have to kind of come for that. That is great because it's driving people from further afield to Tunbridge Wells and supporting the local economy that way. We've heard reports of, from clients and from people in the industry, of people quoting a year and a half in some cases for waiting times for the Tudor GMT and the Tudor Black Bay 58. Other clients have got in touch with us because they've been told that they're currently 70th on the list. So coming to us in a smaller environment means that actually they've got more chance of getting their beautiful Tudor watch a lot earlier. What we'd say in those instances is if you're interested in buying a Tudor Black Bay 58 or a Tudor Black Bay GMT, is to come into the store. We can talk you through the range that we have that is most similar, and you'll certainly get a feel for it, even if we haven't actually got the item in stock. In order to get onto the waiting list, I'd urge you to pick up the phone right away, give us a call. We can talk through the range, and we can get everything set up for you so that you are on that waiting list and you receive your watch as soon as possible. You can email us also, but get in touch as soon as you can.